A very warm good afternoon to everyone. I hope you all have taken your blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol medicine after your heavy lunch. So here I am, Abhijit Satpathy. Uh, Recently, I got diagnosed with fatty liver. At such a young age, these type of diseases are getting common. These type of diseases are called as non-communicable diseases like hypertension, cardiovascular diseases and all, and they are becoming more prevalent in the younger generation. So today I am presenting my idea to solve this big problem. Before that, I would like to ask, kindly raise your hand if any one of you or your family having diabetes, BP, cholesterol problem in your family, please. I would like to inform our judges to kindly look around here. Everyone, you can see that. So here is the statistics. Out of every five people, one is one is pre-diabetic, and more of certain things are prevalent in the coming futures. So here comes the storyline. He is Ramesh. Ramesh just got diagnosed with high sugar, hypertension and high cholesterol. He is just only 30 years. And now he went to a renowned doctor, gastroenterologist, Dr. Harish Misra. Dr. Harish Misra, after seeing the report, he suggests some medicines and give a statement like eat healthy and do exercise. And then, as a busy doctor, he called the next patient. This is the problem. And you can see, here is the global crisis. Here is the statistics I want you to kindly consider. Consider this orange part. These are the numbers. These are the non-communicable diseases which are increasing day by day. Other diseases are small in number. By 2030, this market is estimated to reach a $47 trillion. So, what about this, Ramesh? So, after getting consultation from Dr. Harish Misra, he was advised to take healthy meals. Now, in particularly in Odisha, to solve this problem, we are building India's first personalized, regional focused health tech platform. We are building health tech platform to solve this type of diet problem. With the help of your medical report and on basis of your personal location and language, we are providing a diet chart to reverse NCDs, that is non-communicable diseases like diabetes, BP, cholesterol, etc. Our innovation lies in the integration of health data, AI customizations, and with local food intelligence. After combining these three things, we tend to reverse the non-communicable diseases. If you look into the total addressable market, it is of 25 billion US dollars. And I am talking just for the Indian market. Global picture is way high. Total serviceable addressable market is 10% of the total addressable market, that is 2.5 billion. And then if you take 0.5% of the total serviceable available market, which is 12.5 million US dollar. So you can see how big is this market. Now here's the SWOT analysis. Strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. Strength lies with our personalized diet, medical report based plan, regional languages. These are the three top priorities. Our strength, weakness, medical data dependency, trust building factors, high tech developmental cost. Opportunities, as you are able to see that particular market size, this huge market size. So here is the opportunity. Hospital lab partnership. Then talking about the threat, big player replications. These are our threat competitors. Next, here is the lean canvas model, business model. If time permits, I will explain this in the last. Okay. So, looking into the competitive analysis, we are having some big players into our competition. Healthify Me, Cure Fit, MyFitnessPal, and Tata 1mg. But what exactly we are solving, none of the players are solving that particular problem. Our platform will provide personalized diet plan based on medical report, regional language support, and local food integration. As you are able to see, none of them are solving that particular segment. Here is our roadmap. In the coming month, we are going to launch this particular platform at a beta stage with a single language integration, Hindi. And then on August, we are having plan to get our first 1000 paid customer. After that, at October, we are planning to integrate some more languages and improving our healthcare data. And then at December, at the end of this year, we are planning to integrate and collaborate with big players like big diagnostic players and hospitals. Here is our pricing plan. Basic 199 per month, standard 399 per month, pro and customized plan for corporate wellness plans. Here is our marketing strategy. Pre-launch buzz, then daily reel post in different languages, and then we will tie up with local diagnostic labs, pharmaceuticals and clinics, and then hyper-local ad, as this is a totally regional focused health tech platform. So, founding members, I am Dr. Abhijit Satpathy. I am a dental surgeon, also a clinical researcher. Here is my brother, Ajit Satpathy. He is a product manager at US. So here is the references. I have taken all the data from research papers. So at last, we are a billion people country having a million diet. We don't have to change our diet to get healthy. We just have to we don't have to understand what we are eating. So with this, I am Dr. Abhijit. Let's make us a healthier India. One pakhada, one dharma at a time. Thank you.
Thank you so much.